Hello students, in today's lecture in linear algebra we will see the problems on testing of consistency. The problem is test for consistency and solve 5x plus 3y plus 7z equal to 4, 3x plus 26y plus 2z equal to 9 and 7x plus 2y plus 10z equal to 5. The solution of this problem we'll see now.
Hello students, we'll see the problem on consistency. The problem is test for consistency and solve 5x plus 3y plus 7z equal to 4, 3x plus 26y plus 2z equal to 9, 7x plus 2y plus 10z equal to 5. So this is a given question, that is a given system of equation. We need to test for what here? Consistency, and we need to solve also. So we'll see here in detail the solution. Now, so given system of equation already we have the solution. See, so we know the matrix A from this. What is matrix? So matrix A from the above I will take directly. The matrix A is 5, 3, 7. Second row is 3, 26, 2, and third row is 7, 2, 10. 7, 2, 10. This is matrix A. So matrix X is nothing but the variables X, Y, Z, and matrix B, again it is a column matrix, that is 4, 9 and 5. 4, 9, 5. So these are the values here. So then the augmented matrix is 5, 3, 7 equal to 4, this value 4, then 3, 26, 2 equal to 9, then last row 7, 2, 10 equal to 5. So this is augmented matrix. Then so we need to convert this augmented matrix to what here? Equinox form. But observe here we have 3 rows, that is 5, 3, 7, 3, 26, 2, 7, 2, 10. But first row, first element, that is 5. So all 3 equations, so if you see, observe here also, so all coefficient of x of all 3 equations are not in the form of what here? 1. So here we have 5, here we have 3, here we have 7. So it will not fulfill any of the condition of the equinox form, that is 1 is not possible. So if it is not possible also, then we can find the rank easily and we can convert the given system of equation to what here? Equinox form. So this is our what here? Diagonal values. So below this diagonal we need to make these 3 element 0. So how to make a 0? We need to prepare a formula for this. So to make this element 0, so this belongs to row 2. So row 2. So we need to cross multiply the numbers here to make both the numbers same. So for this row we need to multiply what here? 5 times R2 minus 3 times R1. Hope you have got this my point. So 5 times, so 5 3s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. So 15 minus 15, we can make this element 0. So 5 times R2 and 3 times R1. So this I will prepare in the calculator now. So you can observe here. So this formula will prepare in the calculator. So formula is what here? So R2 will take as X, R1 will take as Y. So therefore 5 times R2, that is 5 times alpha X minus 3 times 3 into alpha of Y. Okay, X is R2, Y is R1. Remember calc option. So now the augmented matrix is now. So first augmented matrix is, so formula is ready. First row as it is 5 3 7 equal to 4. So second row we need to write the elements. Be careful. So x value is 3, y value is 5. So x value we need to place. X value is 3, y value is how much here? 5. In the formula we are applying, you can find the answer 0. So write the 0. Next element, x value is 26, equal to sign you press, it will ask again x question mark, means we need to replace the value of x. So x value is 26, equal to, it will ask the value of y value is 3, value is 3. So it is showing what here? 121, right? 121. Next, x value is 2, y is 7. X is 2, y is 7. Answer is minus 11. So minus 11 equal to, next, x value is 9, y value is 4. X value is equal to sign, x value is 9, y value is 4. So it is showing 33. So write 33. Fine. So second row completed and we have made this element 0. Next target it, we have to make 7 0. So this, so for this we need to multiply again, we need to write a formula on R3. So R3 and R1, so we have to take cross multiply the numbers. So for 7 we need to multiply 5 and for 5 we need to multiply 7 to make a common number. So 7 into 5 into R3 minus 7 into R1. Fine. So this formula we need to prepare in the calculator now. That is, this formula we need to prepare. So what is the formula? We'll prepare first here. So phi alpha x minus 7 alpha y. So x belongs to R3 and y belongs to R1 now. So this formula will need to replace x and y. So we'll see what happens. So x value is 7, y value is 5. So x value is 7, y value is 5. So answer is 0. So just you can see. Then x value is 2, y value is 3. X value is 2, y value is 3. So it will be minus 11. Write down minus 11. Next equal to sign, it will ask the value of x. Then x value is 10, y value is 7. X value is 10, y value is 7. So it will be 1. Equal to, next, x value is 5, y value is 4. X value is 5, y value is 4. It is minus 3. So we got this element now. So this is we have made second row first element 0, third row first element 0. So once we got this case, then next target is we need to make this minus 11 0. So to make this 0, so what I will do here, on R3, so we'll need to subtract or add with what here, row 2 only. So on R3 what shall we do here? So it will be 11. How much this same number will get? 11. So 11 into R3 plus R2. This is the formula. Okay, 11 we need to multiply to make 121 here. We need to multiply what here? 11. So 11 times R3 plus R2. So this formula will prepare in the calculator now. So formula is 11 alpha x plus alpha y. That is, x value is R3 and y value is what here? R2. So therefore what happens, we'll see. So therefore augmented matrix is, okay, augmented matrix is x value is 0 0. So first row is as it is 5 3. First row, second row will write as it is 7 equal to 4 0 121 minus 11 equal to 33, and third row we are using the formula we need to write now. So formula is ready, we have taken in the calculator, so now we need to enter. That is 0 0. So third row first element is 0, so equal to calc option. So x value is minus 11, y value is 121, so 0 you can see here. Then x value is 1, y value is minus 11, it will be 0 you are finding. Next, equal to x value is minus 3, y value is 33, so this also you are finding 0. So you got what here? So to make this element 0, all element has become 0. So therefore, so this is belongs to your matrix A, and this complete is nothing but matrix A is to B. So therefore rank of matrix A, that is this, if you what I have made round up. So number of non-zero rows, first row, second row, third row is having zeros, all elements 0. So this is a 0 row. So these two are non-zero rows. So 2 rows, that is rank is 2 for a matrix A, and augmented matrix, that is rank of augmented matrix. So this is complete element is 0. So here also 2 non-zero rows. So here also what here? Rank is 2. So therefore, so both the ranks are same, and the value of n is 3. So therefore I can say that rank A is equal to rank of augmented matrix B is equal to what here? What here? Rank is 2, which is less than n, which is less than n. So it is consistent. I can say that it is consistent but infinite solution. It is what here? Consistent but infinite solution, because rank is less than n value is 3. So therefore what here? Infinite solution. So we need to stop here only. So in this way we need to simplify the problems.